first day challenge this morning. I had breakfast, but I didn't have enough breakfast, so I'm gonna add a smoothie. I made smoothie the night before to demonstrate how to make a basic smoothie. So I have a lot of overage in my freezer, and so that's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna make this smoothie with the cubes that I saved from that demo. Already know pretty much how much I need for the recipe. Let's see, I need a little bit of a serving dish to get these things out. Ooh. All right, let's see what that does. Frozen ingredients first for the S50. Some chunk of fruit fell on the floor, goes in the trash. About 70, 98. We still need a little bit more. These are relatively large cubes for the machine, so I don't expect this thing to there we go, 140 grams. That's good. I don't expect this machine to make all this with little, so I'm going to put quite a bit of liquid in there, mix it up, and it helps me keep full. It's morning time. I'm groggy. I don't do well in the mornings. I don't think most people do well in the mornings. I'm going to add 30 grams of this here ice cream that I made before, but I left it in the refrigerator like an idiot. So now it's all melty. But it's good to add to my smoothie. Like I said, no recipe here. I'm just winging stuff right now. I'm just winging stuff. So if you're watching this video and you're cringing at what I'm doing, it's like, well, you know, as they say on Earth, c'est la vie, for you Star Trek people. All right, that's pretty good. The rest will just be some normal liquid. I'm gonna put this back in the freezer. Let that turn back into ice cream. There's no rules in my kitchen. No rules. So all you with the OCDs and oh my God, why are you doing this and that and whatever, whatever. Well, unfortunately for you, I don't care. I do what I want. Add some water. I think I'll add some sweetener because I added water. Since I reduced my calories big time, I'm going to use my stevia. Let's add one. I want it real sweet. Let's do 2 big heaping tablespoons of stevia. Why not? Let's have a treat. I have coffee in the pot sitting there waiting for me. Now we got frozen stuff, some liquid, whatever. That was easy to load up. I have my blades. We're just gonna put them on like this. A little bit of a twist here. My hands are wet. And that's it. It should go. I'm leaving the machine on for the challenge constantly because there were complaints about it freaking out. So I don't know. I do get power outages every now and then, so that'd be a good test to see if the machine will freak out or not. So this is a lot of frozen stuff. Let's use a program for the first iteration of this. I'm gonna do the power blend here. Let's see if this works. If not, I might have to do it manually because I'm just winging this recipe. When you use programs, use a recipe that's in the book, or make sure you design a recipe first that comes out right. Don't just throw stuff in there, run a program, and it didn't work. Yeah, I don't expect this to work. I'm just trying it anyway. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, I'll do it manual. Like I said, the ice cubes are pretty big, so I don't expect it to actually work. As I expected, the ice cubes are just too big. Not a big deal. There we go. Now it's starting to get a little bit of a pulse button. There we go. Now we just do a regular blend. Okay, and I think that's mixed because, yep, it's mixed up. I could barely tell what was happening in there because the mixture is kind of thick. Oh yeah, that's good. Just pour it up. This is a thick one, man. This is a thick one. Look at that. All those big frozen cubes and all that stuff and whatever that was in there is done and gone, and it's a smoothie, nice and thick. Came out thicker than I was expecting. Came out thick and whatever. Oh my God. How hard was that? That was not hard. Whoa, that tastes really good. All right, that's a great breakfast smoothie. Nice and sweet. I'm just gonna clean it because, oh my God, it's so hard to clean. Whoa. Show you how to clean this. Oh my gosh, I'm rinsing it under the sink. I'm getting the gasket. That's done. Rinse my cup. There we go. Rinse it under the sink. Oh my gosh, it's clean. Look how surprising that is. Woo! Look how easy that was. 2 seconds I cleaned that thing. I don't want to hear, oh my God, it's so tough to clean. But then again, this was an easy smoothie. We'll do something maybe that might dirty up the threads pretty good. I can do like a protein shake. That time, protein powder sticks everywhere, so no matter what machine you use, that stuff's always a pain to use to mix up, so whatever. There we go, that's it. That was my first morning thing I'm going to do. The rest of the day is still up to whatever. Like I said, this is no frills, just testing the machine.